Hello students, welcome back to my online class. How are you? I hope you are fine in a COVID-19 lockdown period. So today is your subject is class 12, subject is business studies, and chapter number 3 we will start the business environment part 1. Now, in this video, we will discuss the definition of the business environment, the features of the business environment, and the importance of the business environment, how it will affect the business. So, let's start. What is the meaning? What is the definition of the business environment? Do you know that? The definition of business environment means all of the internal and external factors that affect how the company functions, including employees, customers, management, supply and demand, and business regulation. It means कि कैसे बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट की क्या डेफिनेशन है कि इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर कैसे अफेक्ट करते हैं कंपनी के फंक्शंस को कंपनी के फंक्शंस how the employees related functions, the customer management functions, the supply functions, and the demand and business regulation. Now I hope it's clear कि बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट इंटरनली और एक्सटर्नली कैसे हमारी कंपनी को अफेक्ट करता है, कैसे उस कंपनी के फंक्शंस को अफेक्ट करता है, बिजनेस रेगुलेशंस को अफेक्ट करता है, बिकॉज द changes are happening continuously in the business environment. So we have to the company, the business will have to adapt itself according to the changes are coming in the business environment. Now it's clear to you. Now meaning, the term business environment includes the external forces, the factors and the institutions that are beyond the control of the business, and they also affect the functioning of a business enterprise. It include the customer, competitors, suppliers, government, and the social, political, legal, and the technological factors. So in the business environment, it include the internal forces also and the external forces also, and the forces are affecting the functioning of the business enterprises. And in the business enterprises there are two forces, internal and external, and it includes the customers, competitors, supplier, government, and the social, political, legal, technological factors. So we will discuss in the next topic the features of the business environment. First point here, the business environment is the sum total of all the factors. I have already cleared you that the business environment is the total of the all the factors, external factors and the internal factors to the business firm, and that greatly influence their functioning. And these two forces are greatly influence affect the functioning of the business enterprise. Now it's clear. Now move on to the second point. It cover the factors and the forces. It covered two aspects, that is factors and the forces, like customer, competitor, supplier, government, social, technological, political, legal conditions. So all these are the factors, the forces. Now third point here, the business environment is dynamic in nature. I have already told you that the business enterprise has to adapt itself according to the changes done in the business environment, and that means it keeps on changing. It is dynamic means the change, it continues to be changed. And D, the changes in the business environment are unpredictable, these are uncertain. We never know that what will happen in the future. It is very difficult to predict the exact nature of the future happenings and the changes in the economic and the social environment. So these are unpredictable. Now the third point, business environment differ from place to place. It are differ according to place, region to region, country to country, and the political conditions in India differ from those in the Pakistan. Now the political condition in India is differ from the Pakistan. Also, according to the taste and the preferences, the values cherished by the people in India and the China very considerably. So all the factors, all the changes are done according to region, and it are different from place to place. So it's clear, it's not same as according to region. Now fourth point we will discuss the importance of the business, and first point here, determining the opportunities and threat. So the interaction between the business and the environment also identify the opportunities for the business and also identify the threats to the business. So it basically helps the business enterprise for meeting the challenges successfully. Now the second point, giving direction for growth. So the interaction with the business environment helps leads to opening up the new frontiers for the growth for the business firms, and it enables the business to identify the areas for growth and how they will expand their activities. It's clear. Now the third point here, the continuous learning. Environmental analysis makes the task of manager easier in dealing with the business challenges, and the managers are motivated to continuously update their knowledge, understanding and skills to meet the predicted changes in the realm of the business. Do you know what are the prediction they will take? So the managers basically are motivated to continuously update their knowledge with the help of the business environment. It also enhances the understanding skills with the help of the predicted changes in the return of business. So it helps the manager to continuously update their knowledge. The business environment analysis helps the manager to update their knowledge, skills, and understandings. How they will react, they will operate their business while adopting the business environment analysis in the prediction of the changes. Clear? Now the next point, image building. How the environmental understanding helps the business organization in improving their image by showing their sensitivity to the environment within which they are working. For example, in view of the shortage of power, many companies have set up captive power plants in their factories to meet their own requirement of the power. Now, the environmental understanding helps the business organization. It helps the business enterprise in improving their image. They will create a brand image by showing their sensitivity to the environment within which they are working, according because the business enterprise are working with the environment and environment changes. And example I have clear to you. Now the E point, meeting competition. The environmental analysis also helps the firm to analyze the competitor strategies and also formulate their own strategies accordingly. Clear? Now, the last point, identifying the firm's strength and the weakness. The business environment helps to identify the individual strength. With the help of the business environment, we will identify our individual strength and the weaknesses in view of the technological and the global development due to the changing trends coming in the business environment. So these are the points which are related to the business environment, how the business environment helps the significance to influence the business enterprise effectively. So these are the points I have discussed with you. Now you have to read it very carefully, and what you have to do, you have to do all these notes in your notebook. Clear, students? Now goodbye, students, and wait for the part 2 video we will discuss in the next video. Stay at home, stay blessed at home. Thank you for the watching. Goodbye.